Anuja. I'm the designer and the founder of the Untraditional Female, TUF. Being untraditional has always been an integral part of me growing up. I was always playing some sort of sport in school. I loved riding fast bikes and I would often come home with scrapes and cuts on my arms and my knees. I was a tomboy. When malls started cropping up in India, we had these huge establishments where one would enter and be consumed by the unfathomable choices for clothing. You did not like this fit or size, there were several others to choose from right beside it. Even then, the boys section had far better collections. Later, when I was graduating from my fashion school, I observed the technical aspects between this huge gap between the menswear and the womenswear sections. I conducted a survey and research when I found that about 30% of the Indian female population is in search of classic clothing. They are looking for comfortable clothing. Some of them even confess to shopping from the men's section just because of this comfort aspect in their clothing. I found myself thinking, this is something new that I can bring to the table here. After months of research and lots of discussions and lots of sizing trials and errors, the Untraditional Female was formed. India's first tomboy apparel brand. The Untraditional Female. The short form spells TUF, T-U-F, which is like strength and integrity. The logo, which is a horseshoe magnet, also emphasizes the same concept. Every female who associates themselves with our brand has found herself to be untraditional and tough. That's why we say, be tough.